Many beginners think the problem is motivation. In reality, the problem is often size. When drawing feels like it needs a lot of time or energy, your mind quietly resists it. Drawing, in simple words, is just moving a pencil on paper while looking at something. It does not need to be long to be useful. The simple idea here is that short practice removes resistance. When practice is short, your brain feels safe starting. When starting feels safe, you begin more often. When you begin more often, consistency grows naturally. There are few calm parts to this idea. First, short time lowers pressure. If you tell yourself you only need a few minutes, the task feels manageable. You are not promising too much. Second, short time builds trust. Every time you show up for a small session, you prove to yourself that drawing fits into your life. Third, short time keeps energy steady. You stop waiting for the perfect mood and start drawing as part of your day. For example, if you sit down to draw after breakfast for a few minutes, you are more likely to begin than if you wait for a free evening. The shorter plan works because it fits real life. Here is how we will do this together. We will write a simple plan in 3 gentle moves. We will decide why short practice works for you. We will choose one natural time. Then, we will keep the plan easy enough to repeat. This flow works because it removes pressure at every point. It does not rely on willpower. It relies on kindness and simplicity. Keep this idea in mind as we move forward. Short and easy is not a compromise. It is the path. If this idea made drawing feel lighter or more possible, that's a good sign. If you want me to guide you through the full step-by-step version where I explain everything slowly with real examples, you can take the whole class free for a month using my link below. And it continues right from here so you don't lose your momentum. You'll also get access to thousands of other creative classes for a month, including beginner drawing, illustration, and creative habits. Before you go, feel free to leave a quick comment. Even one word like clear or helpful really helps more beginners find this video. And if you have a question, you're always welcome to ask. Thank you so much for watching. If this helped, you can gently like the video, share it with someone who needs a calmer start, and subscribe so you don't miss the next one.